Hello, this is the CSCI572 Assignment 3 homework presentation. My name is Aishwarya and my group members are Harsh Singh, Akanksha Ramesh and Anush Yadav. Basically, we are here to demonstrate 4 queries that will run on the uh, server, like the PHP Apache server, and using PHP, we are going to contact the index data in Solr and extract the data specifically the lat long values and use those lat long values to plot them on a map using D3. So the first query is to visualize job postings geospatially and temporally by various attributes such as company, job type, salary. So to make this as interactive as possible, we are going to ask the users to specify what all fields he wants to specify and the time period over which he wants to see see the data. So I'm going to say the whole data set. So I'm not choosing anything, and I'm going to say I'm going to add 2 fields. So the first one is company, say manpower, and the second one is job type, tempo completo. Now if I execute the query, as you can see, like for this these values that I've specified, like for manpower company, you will find a lot of full-time jobs in South America as compared to North America and the other regions. Then just then moving on to the next query. The second query is to visualize how many companies are changing over time based on the job postings. Are they growing geographically? Are they entering new domains to make money? So let's take after going through the data set, I just wanted to choose a company that varies, like that has different that has jobs for all the months over a period of a time. So this is just a randomly chosen company. It's So, and the time period that I'm going to take is 2012 July to December, and my interval unit is going to be a month. If I want it to be a multiple of a month, I can just specify that over here, and I'm going to execute the query. So basically, we have displayed every month's job postings using different colors. So the colors are randomly chosen. So you can see that there are 4 colors here: blue, black, green, and red. Each of those months, the company Hill de Brando, Colombia has jobs in the same region. So basically, I guess this is a more centralized company, and they are not moving about territorially. But if you see, they are expanding into Northern America. So maybe, who knows, for a longer period, if you go to see, you'll get it. Then moving on to query 3. Provide a map of corporate presence. Are there territories? So let's specify a period. For the given data set, the overall time is over 2 years, 2012 and 13. So let's just pick something that crosses both years. So maybe June 2012 and January 2013. If I execute the query, the query execution sometimes takes time because the data set is pretty huge. So what we have done is to classify jobs as corporate jobs, we have taken a few categories that we have mentioned in our PDF file. It includes like commercial, business, shopping, um, and like industry, like all the zones that we found for our last assignment. Like we combined all those jobs, and all these results are a combination of those jobs. So as you can see, um, there are a lot of jobs in the southern part of South America and the Colombia region. So I would say that these form territories to answer the question. Moving on to the fourth query. Plot and analyze the seasonal trends of different job categories. We ran this query for a lot of different time periods and job categories. Like we saw that there were a lot of jobs in summer and fall and winter, summer and fall of 2012 and of winter of 2013. Spring of 2012 had relatively few jobs. Now let's take um, a job period of say fall and winter, because like those have a lot of jobs then. So I'm just gonna type it to make it quicker. And say the job category, you get to choose any one of these. So say let's pick um, shopping. So as there are not many jobs, this query was pretty fast. So for the period of so for basically this is fall of 2012. So during that period, for the job category shopping, a lot of jobs were concentrated in the northern part of South America, and a few um, across North America and the lower part of South America. So by varying these dates and choosing different categories, you can move across the entire data set and like see the trends that you want to visualize. So that's about it. Thank you for your time and patience. Hope you found it satisfactory.